Hello kids, it's Shazi. Today, we learn the alphabet letter A to Z. Let's trace and paint them together.
Do you know the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man?
Uppercase, I.
Do you know the Muffin Man who lives on Drury Lane?
Yes, we know
Lowercase, I.
the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man. Yes, we know the Muffin Man who lives on
I for Indian. I for Igloo.
Do you know the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man? Do you know the
Uppercase,
Muffin Man
J.
who lives on Drury Lane?
Yes, we know the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man, the Muffin
Lowercase, J.
Yes, we know the Muffin Man who lives on Drury Lane.
J for Jam.
Do you know the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man? Do you know the Muffin Man who lives on Drury Lane?
J for Juice.
We know the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man. Yes, we know the Muffin Man who lives on Drury Lane.
Uppercase, K. Lowercase, k. K for kangaroo.
Yankee Doodle went to town riding on a pony. Stuck a
K for key.
feather in his hat and called it macaroni.
Yankee Doodle, keep it up. Yankee Doodle dandy. Mind the music and the step and with
Uppercase,
the girls be
L.
handy.
Lowercase, l.
Father and I went down to camp along with Captain Gooding.
L for
There we
ladder.
saw the men and boys as thick as hasty pudding.
Yankee Doodle, keep it up. Yankee Doodle dandy. Mind the music
L for
and the
leaf.
step and with the girls be handy.
Uppercase, M.
There was Captain Washington and gentle folks about him. They say he's grown so tarnal proud he will not ride without them.
Yankee Doodle, keep it up. Yankee Doodle dandy. Mind the music and the step and with the girls be
Lowercase,
handy.
m. M for monkey.
Yankee Doodle went to town riding on a pony. Stuck a feather in his hat and called it macaroni.
Yankee Doodle, keep it up. Yankee Doodle dandy.
M for
Mind
mouse.
the music and the step and with the girls be handy.
Please like and subscribe to my channel.